Khasiland, in the heart of the hills, where the clouds kiss the sky, lies a land full of whispers, where the rivers lie crystal, with the shades of green dancing in the soft morning light. Khasiland, oh Khasiland, you're a true delight. Oh Khasiland, where the echoes of history sing, from the ancient roots to the tribes, oh what joy you bring. With your valleys so deep and your mountains so grand, forever in my heart you are Khasiland, where the living root bridges weave tales of old through the misty forests, where the secrets unfold, singing songs of the stars beneath the moon's gentle glow. In the embrace of your beauty I'll never let go. Oh Khasiland, where the echoes of history sing, from the ancient roots to the tribes, oh what joy you bring. With your valleys so deep and your mountains so grand, forever in my heart you are Khasiland. In the rhythm of the raindrops, in the laughter of the streams, I find my soul's reflection in the cradle of dreams. Your culture, your spirit, it's a treasure to behold. Khasiland, oh Khasiland, your stories are gold. Oh Khasiland, where the echoes of history sing, from the ancient roots to the tribes, oh what joy you bring. With your valleys so deep and your mountains so grand, forever in my heart you are Khasiland. So here's to the hills, to the skies shining bright. Khasiland, my homeland, you are my guiding light. From the dawn to the dusk, in my heart you will stand.